Good day.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Gina Ramoran Tolentino. I am single mother. I'm 39 years old. I live in Gangalan, San Mariano, Isabela. And I have 5 kids. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. I'm the last in our family.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I worked before in the Philippines is cooking.
Okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
The duties of the employer is iron, washing, and take care of baby.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because, ma'am, the salary is big salary in the Hong Kong. That's why I want to go there because the help for the study for the kids for studying school.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food can you cook?
I cook for Chinese food is steamed fish, steamed chicken, and sweet and sour.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check the temperature first and tell my employer and immediately.
Okay. What can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach for the employer children how to read and how to write, and I teach for a good manners.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example?
There was a farmer, how a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and the name of farmers go.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
I want the employer is a good employer and love and understanding.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am. I'm afraid.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
My attitude is honest and understanding and loyal my employer.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hello, ma'am and sir. I hope soon you give me a chance. And you give me a chance to work in your family, and I promise to do it the best, work hard, and I will see you soon. Thank you, ma'am and sir.